So what should 5G do? I think 5G should solve all the problems of 4G, which is a trite statement, but essentially we've really learned that ubiquitous mobile data can do a lot for society. It drives innovation, it provides better communications, it allows us to have what we need when we need it. Don't have to work at home anymore, you can work from a coffee shop. There's a spectrum crunch, and until we can free up more spectrum, or even as we do, 5G can provide ways to use the spectrum more efficiently and allow us to get the data when we need it, whenever we need it, in a way that seems seamless. So I think that's what 5G can do. What technologies are needed for 5G? I see that as an open-ended question. 5G won't emerge for the next 6, 8, 10 years. It'll probably actually be an evolutionary emergence as different releases come about. So it's hard to say right now, but there are some interesting things on the horizon. I think spectrum sharing is going to be an important piece, so spectrum sharing databases or other means that allow us to use unoccupied spectrum will be an important technology. Massive MIMO, additional antennas that can beamform, actually allow us to reuse spectrum, I think will be another important technology. And further out, it's possible that millimeter waves, once the spectrum is reallocated through the World Radio Conference, could provide enormous amounts of bandwidth for new 5G capability. So the most interesting thing about this event was getting to hear essentially the European perspective. There are a number of delegates here from the UK and from other parts of Europe. And coming from the US, it's always good to hear what the rest of the world is doing in 5G and these advanced technologies. Ultimately, we're all going to have to find a way to make a technology that works together worldwide. So the more we know about each other's plans, I think the better for all of us.